Hello, my name is Haley Elliott, and I'm a pre-sales solutions consultant for Workday Adaptive Planning here at Revelwood. Today, we're going to take a quick look at how Workday Adaptive Planning can monitor customer satisfaction metrics and use the patterns within that data for strategic, data-driven decision-making. Particularly for the professional services industry, revenue is directly tied to customer satisfaction. High customer satisfaction means high client retention for repeat business, reliable referrals to enable the sales team to close deals, and a competitive advantage versus market counterparts. By integrating your customer satisfaction metrics from a software like Zendesk or Monday, either through Adaptive's native integration platform or simply by uploading an Excel file to the system, teams across your organization will have access to customer feedback. On the screen here, we have an active dashboard in Workday Adaptive Planning that displays metrics like average SLA, net promoter scores, and customer satisfaction, as well as renewal rates broken down by our different team leads. By using conditional formatting to identify your team lead's ability to retain clients, generate references, and deliver projects on time, you'll be able to quickly understand how to increase efficiency, effectiveness, and overall client satisfaction across the organization. Other charts might provide additional detail on industry-specific metrics. Active dashboards allow you to click into this data even further. By clicking into our new references KPI, we'll see the option to either explore cell directly into the customizable sheet that houses our CSAT metrics, and you can see that sheet here. Or we can also choose to drill down by any dimension in the system. In this case, we'll go ahead and see what industries we have new references for. In just a couple of minutes, we've seen a few different ways Workday Adaptive Planning can take customer satisfaction metrics and turn them into informative decision-making points to both maintain your current customer base and grow your business. For a deeper dive into other adaptive use cases for professional services, contact Revelwood today.